Rapid response was developed because we were finding that often you needed to strike while the iron was hot when children and families are really in that crisis moment and they need someone to go out within 24 hours, which is what rapid response do, and to provide those daily visits. And then you've got the therapeutic team, which is a much slower response, really embedded within therapeutic practices, evidence-based practices, using our therapists who are qualified therapists to deliver a therapy which wouldn't be accessed by children otherwise.
Yeah, I was doubtful about the whole family support worker first of all. I thought, why? But yeah, when she got it, she definitely helped a lot.
It's also helped us be on the same page.
Yeah.
It's helped our relationship as well. We had different approaches to the behaviours, which has helped us.
The therapists that I speak to on a weekly basis are just really accommodating, really helpful and completely non-judgmental. So there'll be times when I think maybe I've responded in the wrong way or I maybe just don't get something, and they're just so kind and give me quite a lot of time actually. So they spend time with me and allow me to offload and help me see what sits behind that, so then I can go back with the children and really get under the skin of things and help them a little bit more, and I think that's really worked.
It's all about the families. Without the services, these families would have not been able to be agents of their own change, and it is credit to the families, the hard work that they put in, the ability to open their doors and be welcoming to professionals. That's a real credit to these families, and it's not really about what we do, it's all about what the families are able to do through us.